Hello everyone. Welcome back to Boost My Grades essay. In today's Grade 12 Business Studies lesson, we're unpacking one of the most important business studies chapters: human rights, inclusivity and environmental issues. This chapter appears regularly in the final NSC examination and is worth learning thoroughly because many questions ask you to explain, discuss, evaluate and apply these concepts to case studies. By the end of this lesson you'll understand human rights in the workplace, diversity and inclusivity, environmental issues, health and safety responsibilities. Let's begin. Section 1. Unpacking human rights. What are human rights? Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that every person has simply because they are human. In South Africa, these rights are protected by the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. Businesses have a legal and moral responsibility to respect these rights in the workplace. Ways to deal with human rights in the workplace. 1. Privacy. Privacy means employees have the right to keep their personal information confidential. Businesses should keep employee records confidential, protect personal information, obtain consent before sharing personal details, follow company privacy policies. Example: a company may not disclose an employee's medical condition without permission. 2. Respect and dignity. Every employee deserves to be treated with respect. Businesses should prevent bullying, prevent harassment, treat everyone fairly, respect different opinions, address employees professionally. Remember, respect improves teamwork and productivity. 3. Equity. Equity means fairness in the workplace. Businesses should promote equal opportunities, avoid unfair discrimination, recruit based on skills, implement employment equity policies. Equity is about giving everyone a fair chance. 4. Safety, security and protection of life. Employees have the right to work in a safe environment. Businesses should provide protective clothing, train employees, maintain equipment, provide emergency exits, follow safety regulations. Safe workplaces reduce accidents. 5. Freedom of speech. Employees may express ideas respectfully. Businesses should encourage constructive feedback, allow grievance procedures, listen to employee concerns, avoid victimizing whistleblowers. Freedom of speech does not include insulting or threatening others. 6. Access to information. Employees should receive information necessary to perform their jobs. Businesses should explain company policies, communicate changes, provide training, share relevant information honestly. Well-informed employees make better decisions. Economic rights of employees. Economic rights allow employees to earn a living fairly. Employees have the right to fair wages, equal pay for equal work, safe working conditions, join trade unions, collective bargaining, reasonable working hours, paid leave, fair dismissal procedures. These rights improve employee well-being. Ways to promote social rights in the workplace. Businesses can provide medical aid, offer counseling services, promote wellness programs, support education and training, prevent discrimination, promote work-life balance, provide childcare support where possible. Healthy employees are productive employees. Cultural rights and ways to promote them. South Africa is culturally diverse. Businesses should respect different religions, allow reasonable religious leave, respect traditional dress, avoid discrimination, celebrate cultural diversity, provide diversity training, accommodate cultural practices where possible. Inclusive workplaces create happier employees. Implications of equality, respect and dignity on businesses. Positive implications. Businesses may experience better employee morale, higher productivity, lower staff turnover, improved reputation, better teamwork, increased customer trust, fewer labor disputes. Negative implications. Businesses may face higher training costs, increased monitoring costs, time spent resolving disputes, costs of implementing diversity programs. However, the long-term benefits usually outweigh the costs. Section 2. Understanding diversity. Meaning of diversity. Diversity means having employees from different backgrounds working together. People may differ in race, religion, culture, gender, age, language, disability, education, experience. Successful businesses value these differences. Ways businesses can deal with diversity issues. Poverty. Businesses can pay fair wages, provide bursaries, offer skills development, provide transport assistance, offer employee wellness programs. Race. Businesses should prevent racism, promote equal opportunities, train employees, recruit fairly, encourage teamwork. Religion and culture. Businesses should respect religious holidays, allow flexible leave, respect traditional clothing, avoid discrimination. Gender. Businesses should promote equal pay, prevent sexual harassment, recruit fairly, promote women into leadership positions, offer maternity and paternity benefits. Language. Businesses should use clear communication, provide translation where necessary, respect all official languages, encourage language training. Age. Businesses should avoid age discrimination, value experience, train younger employees, encourage mentoring. Disability. Businesses should provide ramps, install accessible toilets, modify workstations, supply assistive technology, recruit fairly, avoid discrimination. Remember, people living with disabilities should receive equal opportunities. Benefits of diversity. A diverse workforce leads to better problem solving, more creativity, more innovation, better customer service, wider range of ideas, improved reputation, increased productivity, better decision making, competitive advantage. Exam tip. Always explain how diversity benefits the business. Section 3. Understanding environmental issues. Businesses have a responsibility to protect both people and the environment. Responsibilities of employers in promoting health and safety. Employers should provide safe equipment, train employees, supply protective clothing, conduct risk assessments, display safety signs, provide first aid, maintain machinery, report accidents, comply with health and safety legislation. Roles of health and safety representatives. Health and safety representatives inspect the workplace, identify hazards, investigate accidents, report unsafe conditions, recommend improvements, promote safety awareness, monitor compliance, assist during emergency drills. They help prevent workplace injuries. Responsibilities of employees. Employees should follow safety rules, wear protective clothing, report hazards, report accidents, use equipment correctly, attend safety training, avoid risky behavior, protect co-workers. Health and safety is everyone's responsibility. Strategies businesses use to protect the environment and human health. Businesses can reduce pollution, recycle waste, save electricity, conserve water, reduce paper usage, plant trees, dispose of waste responsibly, use renewable energy, reduce carbon emissions, use environmentally friendly technology, educate employees about sustainability, comply with environmental laws. Protecting the environment also protects future generations. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on human rights, inclusivity and environmental issues. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe to boost my grades essay. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a grade 12 business studies lesson. Share this video with your classmates. In our next lesson, we'll continue preparing you for the NSC examinations with another CAPS-aligned grade 12 business studies topic. Until next time, keep studying, keep believing in yourself, and remember, boost your grades with Boost My Grades essay.